Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Both horn fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just in front of the battery right here. Now to remove the cover you will have three black tabs, one here and one here. So you just want to press these tabs together and lift up to unlock it. Once you have removed the cover, on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Horn fuse, it's a fuse number F34, which is a 15M blue fuse located in the bottom right corner. In case this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper, make sure that the horn itself is working, check all the wiring, and there is also a possibility you are dealing with a failed airbag clock spring, which is quite often the cause of horn not working. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.